Hello, my friends. Guess what time it is? It is Die Hard and Stamp Club time. I am in love with this set, and if you're in my Fold It Club, you're gonna love it even more. Let me just tell you, I have to give you that little hint. On your marks, get set. It's gonna come in this little envelope. Are you ready? Here we go. It is called Skating into Winter. And look at these cute little guys. We have a cute little bunny on ice skates, and we have this fun little fox on ice skates. We have little hats for them to wear. And look at all the fun words. We have warm wishes. So this is really cool. So I have warm birthday wishes hugs. All separate stamps. So now you get to say birthday hugs or warm birthday hugs or warm wishes or warm birthday wishes or birthday wishes or warm hugs. You get to decide. Lots and lots and lots of options, right? Skating through winter. May your winter be filled with twirls and spins. Wishing you frosty fun. Sending you holiday cheer. Stamp Club members, guess what, my friends? You are getting this sent to you automatically. Happy mail, automatically right now. And guess what? Dun, 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 dun. Of course, there's a handy dandy postcard that shows you ideas. But of course, you know there's more ideas on the website, right? But Die Hard Club members, you're getting the same stamp set and dun, 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 the dies that match. And I threw in a little tree. I threw in a little tree. Why? Because I wanted to. I just felt like you needed a little tree, so it's kind of like a little extra bonus. I don't know. But there we go. We have our inside dies and our outside dies, so we have lots of options. We can do it with the inside die if we want to. We can die cut it with the shadow die. We can make the shadow die a different color than white. The choice is yours, right? So you're getting both of these, of course, handy dandy postcard. The nice thing about the postcard, my friends, is it has the other items that coordinate with this set. So if you're like, oh my goodness, I love these guys, but I need more friends to go with them. Well, guess what? Watch the next video. Now, let's jump in and look at the fun samples our design team made. I love to brag about our design team because I just feel like they're absolutely amazing. Here's a cute one. Look at this on this flip it card. Ready? Look at that cute little bunny. Warm wishes, happy winter. Isn't that gorgeous? Love it. Oh, you know I could do this all day long, right? Okay, look at this one. This one is really fun because this one, let's see. Oh, pull up fun fold. Ready? You're gonna pull it up and watch this. It stands. Dun, 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 dun. Look, our cute little fox is there, our little bear, and you know, that bear looks a little, sneak peek. But look at that. See that card base? Isn't that awesome? I love that card base. It's so fun. And it's A2. It folds flat for mailing. Here's a cute one with our little bunny and our fox and oh, some extra trees. I like that. Isn't that cute? I love that. Sending you winter cheer. I love that. That's so cute. And then on the inside, may your winter be filled with laughter and love. Oh, here's another ice skater. And I love how the design team kind of did him in little different poses. Like sometimes they put him on the one skate. Sometimes they put him like kind of jumping a little bit. So you can do a lot with that little guy. Here's a fun one with those trees in the background. And I think there might be some, oh, and there's a sneak peek on this one too. A couple sneak peeks on that one. Look at this one. There's another sneak peek, that background die. You're gonna love it. I can't wait to talk to you about it. More trees. We got our cute little guys in there. Ooh, here's another one. Oh, a sneak peek for the Merry Christmas. Just saying. Just saying. I love when we show you sneak peeks because it gets you excited about future releases coming this month. Don't worry. Oh, look at how, okay, you guys, look at this. Look at this. Is this by the same? Oh, Sheila did both of these. But look at how, I want to say simple, but they're not simple, right? They're just so clean and refreshing sometimes just to see how sweet and white. Don't be afraid to use white, right? Sometimes and I'm guilty of this, I tend to stay away from white because I think, oh, white, boring. No, 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 look at these. Aren't they stunning? Just adding a little tiny bit makes them look so gorgeous. Oh, and this says happy birthday on it. Wishing you frosty fun. I love it. Oh, wow, look at this one. Look at this one. The little fox is holding a balloon that says happy birthday. Look at that background. Look at that background. Oh, here is a gorgeous one. Oh, you know me and my pink. Oh, look at how beautiful that is. This is using our 5x7 dies. So this is our background, our nesting dies. Look at those trees with our fun chunky glitter paper. And oh, I see a stencil back there. Another sneak peek. I love the sneak peeks. Look at this one. Now, this is using our snow globe Fold It. If you don't have the snow globe Fold It, hello, did you notice the little guys fit in there perfect? The bunny's gonna fit in there perfect. The penguin's gonna, oh, did I even show you that one yet? It's gonna fit in there perfect. Look how cute. Wishing you frosty fun. Embrace the magic of the winter season. Isn't that gorgeous? And last but certainly not least, Frosty's top hat. Isn't that adorable? I'm sorry, it's a leprechaun hat, but we're using it for Frosty. So it's technically both. Leprechaun hat or Frosty hat. The choice is yours. It's actually like a 2-for-1 because it could be a leprechaun hat if you make it green or a Frosty hat if you make it black. And I love this with the cute little guy, some holly on there. May your winter be filled with twirls and spins. My friends, you got to watch the next video because there's a lot of add-ons, including a bundle for my club members if you're quick. Bundles, you have to be quick. But, my friends, if you're not a Stamp or Die Hard Club member, you are missing out. You're missing out on a 15% discount off of my entire website, no exclusions. That means 15% off die cut machines. That means 15% off Totally Tiffany items, off of tri-blends, off of markers, off of everything, 15%. It's like a sale every single day on the website. You don't have to wait for a sale. We don't do sales because every single day is a sale at the Stamps of Life, right? Also, you earn club points on every purchase and every club shipment. So the more club points you earn, then you get to spend them for free product. Also, if you stay in a full year on your anniversary month, you get a gift certificate. Wow. So if you're a Stamp or Die Hard Club member, you get a $15 gift certificate on your anniversary. Now, that's not your wedding anniversary, my friends. That is your anniversary with the Stamps of Life. Also, every once in a while, we like to send out freebies. And can I be honest with you? We like to send freebies in December. And each club is getting different freebies in December. I said it. I said it. Okay, so go to our website, thestampsoflife.com, click on Join the Club, and just check out that video. I just want you to see. You can be in a club, the Stamp Club, for as little as $13.99 a month, and that includes the stamp set sent to you automatically each month. So for $13.99 a month, no shipping extra, $13.99 a month, you're getting a 4x6 stamp set sent to you automatically each month. This is a photopolymer made in the USA stamp set, $13.99 a month. Now, some places we have to add tax, but other than that, it's $13.99 a month, right? Then you're getting the 15% discount. You're getting the club points. You're getting the anniversary gift certificates. You're also getting, ding, 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 the freebies when you sign, sometimes when you sign up, and also every couple months, right? Last but not least, you, as a club member, you also get access to our first of the month bundles, which you save even more money on. So, my friends, go check it out, thestampsoflife.com. Guess what? I will see you there. Bye-bye. much for watching. Now, make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube, because you know what? You're going to love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.